Established in 1973, Terkan Lighting have a long history of meeting our clients' needs, as we are always abreast of fresh developments in the lighting field. Our well-stocked showroom contains a wide cross-section of contemporary, architectural and traditional lighting, together with the latest in LED technology. Many of the ranges are exclusive to Terkan Limited and have been sourced from around the world. We are continually updating the showroom with the latest products and lighting concepts. Our experienced, knowledgeable and dedicated team will be with you every step of the way. Whether you're choosing from our showroom or whether we're helping to design the perfect lighting for your home or business. We design and supply lighting solutions for all applications, including internal, external and landscaping. When you choose Terkan for your lighting, you can be sure that not only will you get a fabulous choice, but our customer service is second to none. So whatever your lighting requirements, we can provide an inspirational lighting solution for you. Why not drop into our showroom today for a look around or to speak to one of our team to see how we can help?